How to make environmental changes to reduce stress. 1. Clean up a bit. Even the most steadfast of souls will waver in an ever-messy environment. If your home, office, car, or a workspace is overly messy or dirty, it is certainly having an effect on your mental well-being. Take a few minutes to clean up your most unorganized areas, and your mind will breathe a sigh of relief. Tips for reducing clutter are as follows. Toss items that are rarely used and have no value rather than stockpiling them. Sort through papers and mail and toss or file as needed. Develop a regular schedule of doing this to prevent papers from piling up. 2. Take a few minutes to get ready. It's hard to feel prepared for the day when you haven't taken time to get yourself ready. Spend a few extra minutes in the morning to prepare yourself for the day's events. Take an extra long shower, put on your favorite outfit, and go into the day ready to take on anything. 3. Listen to some music. Music has shown to have a very strong effect on mood and mental state. Calm yourself down by listening to your favorite soothing music. Although you may prefer heavy metal or rap, try listening to something a bit softer and slower for the best effects. Keeping music playing in the background while you work, study, or just go about your daily activities is a great way to subconsciously alter your stress levels. Researchers have found that music can change brain functioning in similar ways as medication. So, regular music really can help to cure stress and anxiety. 4. Try aromatherapy. That's right, what you smell can actually alter your stress levels. Scientific studies have linked the scent of lavender and oranges to reduced stress and anxiety levels. Use a lavender-scented air freshener in your home, office, or car, or spritz a bit of the essential oil onto your hair and skin before you head out the door in the morning. You can also dab a bit of the essential oil onto your temples to relieve a stress-induced headache. 5. Change your environment. If making little changes isn't enough to cheer you up, try moving to a completely new place for a bit. If work or studying is too difficult in your office or at home, relocate to a cozy coffee shop or a park. Having a new environment will help you to move your thoughts away from your stressors, and give you a chance to breathe and recover from your anxiety. 6. Talk to new people. It's possible the people you talk to are stressors. Don't completely take them out of your life, but try meeting some different folks. They can offer a new perspective on things you never even thought about, or get you involved in new stress-reducing activities. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.